long, Chuck.
She long.
She long, baby, she long.
She real long.
Yeehaw. Yeah.
I wonder if they're ever
I
gonna
wanna
finish this
dance
construction.
with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody.
Oh, dude, for a second I thought you had the lyrics on your phone and you were going.
Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. Yeah, wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Ooh.
I love you, Justin. Oh, it's Noah.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Dude, what's going on, man?
You guys on a road trip, huh?
Yeah,
We're finding Nemo.
yeah, that's a good way to put it. We're finding Nemo.
Good, man. I hope you find his dad.
How have you been, bro?
Bro, I've been really good. It's good to see you guys. I'm gonna be on tomorrow night to well, if you want to run, we can run one and done right now. I promised him I would play him a song, so.
All right. Yeah, I'm down, bro.
Alright, bro. Now, we've only beaten Alex one time in my entire life. Let's see if tonight.
That was.
I'm just
Here we
Alex's
go.
personal assistant.
Here we go, baby.
Here we go, fam. Here we go. Last battle of the night. This is
Where
just
are you, bro?
maybe that's why the song wouldn't play.
Alright,
'cause
we're
we were
heading
supposed to
towards
play
the office
this battle right
because
here.
Will forgot
I
his
don't know.
keys.
Girl, I walk through the fire.
Yeah. So,
I know
just
you
forgot the
with
keys.
me.
Let's go, baby.
Here
Let's
we go, fam. Last minutes. Last minutes of the battle. Last minutes.
how do I? Yeah.
Here we go, ladies. Here we
Good
go.
time, baby.
I cannot see what's going on over there, but I have faith.
Come on, Josh.
I have faith.
Okay, business beers. Alright. Okay, let's go. Alright, yeah.
We're gonna need
I'm here,
I'm gonna need a.
spokesperson. I'm co-host for Alex Shucks McCleary here. We gotta run it.
We have Justin
This guy
Joseph
thinks he
Kuhn.
is wearing. What kind of jersey is he wearing? I don't like it. I don't fucking like it.
Not a Bills jersey.
And he's got, not a Bills jersey. He doesn't have cool lights. Your lights aren't cool, brother.
They're sick.
Your lights,
man.
shut the fuck up, Alex. Shh, dude.
Sorry, man.
They're sick. And yes,
sorry.
I hope my girlfriend is not watching this right now. She does not deserve to see this man on this app. Okay. Gotta run. Oh, dude, he's putting in the work.
Here we go.
Yes.
Here we go.
Yes.
What's going on over there? I'm blind right now. I can't see it.
Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna be alone with somebody. Imagine this guy who's an actual singer had us on mute, and he was like, dude, these guys, like, who the fuck? Who is this kid who thinks he can sing? Well, listen, motherfucker. Oh, Beth! Beth! Oh, I wanna
With the
dance
uni!
somebody. Beth wants to feel the heat with somebody.
Beth, much love.
Yeah, she wanna dance
Much love.
with somebody. Beth hit Noah to shame. Yeah, Noah's fucking losing. You
Yeah.
may be a stud, but fuck him. Yeah, perfect.
You go into like.
Chandelier. Yeah, competitive.
It's a chandelier, he goes.
It's a chandelier.
Yeah, Coons had a couple.
No, I'm not
No.
actually drinking.
Couple business beers.
Yeah, business.
Yeah, you had some business beers, that's all.
Business.
That's all.
Oh, what? How much did Coon have to drink? Don't worry about it, okay?
Only 2 business beers.
Notice how, like, as soon as I started singing, the live dropped by 50. Oh, Amy!
Amy! Let's go, baby!
That's on Josh Allen's
Let's
name.
go.
That's on Josh Allen's name.
That's on
That's
Papa.
on Josh Allen's name.
Papa.
Daddy Josh.
Dude, I can't believe we have to go all the way back to the office.
Yeah, I know. It's just to grab his keys. This exit.
Yeah. I guess you know the quickest route. You do go there every day.
I'm not going golfing at 8 a.m. No, I have to go find dress pants.
I don't think any of us are going golfing at 8 a.m.
Yeah, well, as soon as I heard that
I'll go.
As soon as I heard that time frame, I said, I don't think so.
Yeah, that's unrealistic even, like...
Amy,
I don't even book my
Ms. Boots. Private jet. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't know how to commentate on this.
Dude,
how do you do it?
You're doing great.
Do I?
You're doing great, sweetie.
Alright, shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to everybody in the line.
Just trigger your...
I shouldn't be doing this.
I shouldn't be doing this.
It wasn't happening.
You're doing good, man.
Oh, Noah's clapping back, too.
You're doing good.
You're only a rising star, man.
Yeah!
You're a little twinkle star. Look at
Because you're on my main account. You're on my main account.
Is it actually?
Yeah. Dude, is the
one that got
still
hacked?
there? Is the win streak still there?
Oh, the win streak.
Is it still there?
No.
Oh. Well, that answers the question, ladies. That answers... Hey! The Interstellar!
I think we just... No. The truck is huge. Oh, dude, he's winning now. Oh, no.
It's a back and forth. Wow. Is it close? Is it close?
This guy knows what he's doing. He's just singing to everybody's girlfriends on these apps.
No!
It's fucking not cool.
It's not cool.
Yo, where are you, bro? We're heading to the office to grab your keys, bro.
Did we lose? Oh, we did. We took the L. He took the dub.
No.
He took the dub.
Sniped.
He sniped.
Yo.
Noah sniped.
Just
Number
almost at the
2.
office grabbing your keys.
Number 2. This guy.
Okay, alright.
Can you unmute it?
About it. Shafia, Kelly, girls, lead the charge right there. I could not have done it without you. Literally, with each and every person, I could not have done it without you. If you don't know who Shafia is, she's responsible for like 80% of my views. That's my girl right there. And if you don't know who Kelly is, that's my heart right there. It's not just her last name. That last name was a blessing to her, but she's been a blessing to us. That's my Kelly. You can't have her. Michelle Kimmel, so sorry, but our family has taken you now. You're in, like Dunzo. Like you don't gotta prove anything. Seriously, the way you love on this family night after night, I see exactly who you are. Love you so much. J Mac, hey, cannot even believe, Jenny, that you showed up to support me with the worship songs tonight. You just became you just leveled up. The way that I saw you, just turned a new leaf. You added so much. Thank you so much. Could not have done it without you. Sparky Marky, you see how we come together, bro? That is my guy right there. There's not very many guys who get the missions. This guy does. The guys who get the mission, man, we go all the way. And Sparky is one of them.
This guy
We're
does it.
still just beginning the journey. A. Martin, Steph, Annette, Monty, Lori, and so many others. Thanks so much, guys. Alex.
Noah, you've got it 2 in a row now. 2 in a row.
Bro, I don't know. I know you got a secret sniper up on stealth mode, but Beth, I want to say, you loving on our boy, like, awesome. The whole thing there, you guys rock. It's so much fun to battle, bro.
Hey, we appreciate you, man. And did you say you were going to be back on tomorrow, too?
Yeah, man. You let me.
All right, bro. Well, good stuff to you and your team over there. Good dub. And when you're back on tomorrow, I'll connect with you again. And I'll be able to talk this time. I won't be driving. We'll be able to catch up a bit. Yeah.
I'll make sure my girlfriend deletes the app before this happens too.
I think it froze. It froze.
Oh, he froze.
It froze. It's okay. Well, I'll catch him tomorrow.
Oh no.
Is it on my end too? Yeah.
Noah is frozen. His eyes on. How are the Bills doing so far? The Bills are going to the Super Bowl. What the fuck do you mean?
Dude, aren't they the favorites, actually?
Yeah, they are the favorites, and Josh Allen is my dad. I would succumb to Josh Allen's fucking
That's a good word choice. Good choice of words.
Dude, I definitely had a couple of beers at dinner. I shouldn't. I have to be up so early tomorrow. It's ridiculous, bro. Fuck me.
Dude, I'm actually surprised that you don't have a suit.
I know.
Because you strike me as the kind of guy who would have maybe two.
Bro, I know. And then I realized I was like, okay, I should probably get a suit. I have an appointment next week to actually get a suit.
Like a proper suit.
Like a real suit. But...
Dude, you have an office. You need to have a suit.
I know, but you should see what I wear at the office. I'm fucking hoodie, fucking strapped down.
Yeah,
It's
but
more
like...
about the work, not about the...
No, I was just gonna say, you can... If you showed up to the
If
office
anybody
in
said
that-
Chiefs, GG_5, see yourself out. Like, walk out. Walk away now.
Walk away!
Well, I'm not golfing tomorrow. I wasn't even included in that conversation. It's insane. It's preposterous to think that. No, I'm not joining.
Not a big golf guy.
Carla, yes. I am. I could give a shit about basketball.
Dude, I actually agree with that.
I just don't care about Tina. No,
I can't watch
You can't
it.
see Alex. Sorry, he's the forbidden fruit. Unless you want to bite it off and be like little fucking Adam and Eve vibes. Nope. Sorry. Can't see him. Bye. Sorry.
Sorry.
Check the Bible. He says no. Christine, I'll bite it off. Christine, you need a 2-minute timeout. Go take a seat in the chair.
2 minutes.
Think about what you just said. Okay? Thank God, I love a man when he's so assertive. And when he's so assertive, he just puts his fucking... Okay, well, it's golf day. Fuck you.
You
Dude,
make
I'm actually treated like a piece of shit. What's that? How about just a nibble? Rana, take a seat. Take a seat. Everybody take a fucking seat. This is insane.
Dude, we
Yeah,
are
yeah.
right now.
Put his dumb truck in the truck.
Got a big...
They actually, when Alex wanted to go buy the truck, they said, do you need seat warmers? He said, nope, my dumpy fucking warms them up properly. Enough for 2 seats.
That's true.
It does, so he just sits on my face. It's perfect. Who the fuck said that?
Who said that?
Who said that?
Whoa, dude,
said
sorry.
that?
My arm slipped.
Who said that? Who said that? My arm slipped. Everyone is sassy today. Sam,
It's...
eat a pineapple.
Eat a pineapple.
Eat a Snickers. You're not you when you're hungry.
Dude, maybe, like, I don't really like Snickers.
Really? Either do I. I just don't like the nutty sensation. Not a fan. More of like a crunchy bar kind of guy.
Yeah.
I like sponge toffee.
Sponge toffee, interesting. Yeah. You know what?
There we go.
I kind of like
Oh, I wanna dance with somebody.
the boat.
Wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. I'm killing you.
Bro, I seen
Holy
y'all getting
shit!
I seen y'all
Is that
getting
Jesse?
I don't want to
Oh, who
smoke.
is this boy? Who is this boy?
Jesse!
Is that a
What's
car
up,
full of
brother?
stuff? What's up, man?
What's going on?
baby?
Where you guys
Carhartt, we
headed?
love a working king, huh?
We're just going to,
I'm always working.
I know. We know you are, dude.
Hard
Hey, how is
labor.
how was your trip to Montreal?
Well, it was good until the 3-day hangover came.
Jesse, we need you out in Niagara, bro. Toronto. One weekend.
I was there. I was in Toronto for a bit.
Shit.
Whoa, where are you guys headed?
Well, we forgot something at the office, so we got to go pick it up and then go back to the falls. So we
Damn, y'all
kind
are out
of
here-
yeah.
Y'all are out here with offices, huh?
Well, only the guy holding the phone right now. He's
Payments, bro.
big man.
Yo,
Yeah,
let me get
dude.
an office and I can work for you guys.
No.
Dude,
We need you work. We need to be working for you.
Maybe one day, you know, you guys can be like the setup crew for my comedy shows.
Dude, I will shine your shoes if you need me, and I will fucking make sure that Carhartt tooth looks so good you've never stepped on a stage otherwise.
You guys are honestly, you guys are the difference. You guys are the difference here on TikTok. But yo, listen, I'm not gonna battle you guys because I seen what Amy Prod is capable of, but I had to say yes and come see a couple of studs.
hey, appreciate you stopping in, bro.
All right, bro. You guys drive safe now, all right?
We need you out in Niagara one day, Jesse. We need you out in Niagara. We're gonna make it happen.
We're gonna make it happen. Me and Alex will get on a FaceTime call.
Yeah.
All right. But yo, I'll see you guys on the flip.
All right,
Big
bro.
dog.
Sounds.
Right.
Yeah. You have them proud.
I like. Yeah, no, I like.
I was gonna say
It
you
actually
wear them
it's
proudly,
called,
but I
like-
don't think that's.
It's called like
proper.
trials and tribulation, trial and tribulations, trials and tribulations. I don't know, dude.
I don't know where you were trying to shoot for.
Whatever Meek Mill says, I'm down for it. But like, yeah, Meek Mill was like trials and tribulations. Whatever Meek Mill says, I'm down for it. Okay, did this kid actually leave his keys in my car?
Yes.
Okay, guys, like I had hemorrhoids once, like you take it out of context, and it was a learning experience. Salt water and baths, baby.
Hello. You can make a sick beat out of this.
No, seriously, hold on 1 second.
He did actually say that.
What?
Did you find them?
Yeah, I did. He actually left them in my car.
I love it. I love it.
Chino?
What up?
Chino.
All right.
I'd love to go to my
I'm not surprised.
Alright. Do I keep on? Or?
So, what's your? Am I dropping you off at home or what?
No, as long as we don't stay too long. Like,
No, I don't
need
want
to be home by
I don't
like
want to
1.
stay long.
I need to be home by 1.
One. That's longer than I was thinking.
Oh,
of
perfect.
staying.
No.
Like,
Aw, dude,
where
do you
are
have
they?
Pizza? Do you have a takeout box in here?
No, I dropped it off at home. Where are they? Well, wait.
I don't
Don't
know.
wait. Yeah.
Don't forget his wallet. He has a wallet. He forgot his wallet?
Did he forget his wallet? What?
No.
No, there's no way.
There's
he
no
forgot
way,
his
bro.
wallet because
There's
he had
no
to.
way.
He paid for himself at the.
Yeah, I know. There's no way.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, but can we just go to the office and grab Can we turn that way?
Yeah.
And grab a little slice on the way out?
Yeah.
I'm starving, dude.
Yeah.
I need pizza, bro.
Some pizza. Some za. Dude, that pizza was actually good. Like, I enjoyed it. It was pretty fucking good.
Welcome to OnlyFans content. This is where you see a man driving a long schlong truck.
Emphasis on long.
Emphasis on long. Emphasis on schlong. He didn't. Well, maybe if I didn't see anything.
I didn't think I saw anything. I mean, I didn't really look either, so I don't know why I said that.
No, I actually shouldn't be doing this. I'm a little tipsy.
Tipsy.
Change. So one of the things I was, oh my god, look at just the way you turn the wheel, dude.
I told you I have good control of the wheel.
You know how to be assertive?
I know how to be
We
assertive.
love an assertive king. We love an assertive king.
We love a short king too.
Oh, how do we get here?
Dude, I have no idea. Changes.
It's so nice to have Alex drive now.
Dude, what is it about this spit? What is it about this spot that it's like, this is like the one dead zone in the entire fucking block is this building right here.
No way, actually.
This is the only place. This is the only place I've